Okay, now the last one I want to do today, I want you to lie flat on the ground. Dead man's pose, corpse pose, something that ends in savasana. I always like to, when we do something like this, I always like to kind of do something relaxing at the end. So kind of put your hands wherever they feel most comfortable, palms up, palms down on your stomach, doesn't matter. And then kind of put your feet so that they're pointing kind of like in a V, unless your lower back hurts. And then if it feels better having your knees bent, go ahead, that's okay too. Now close your eyes. Now for just a moment, I want you to just focus on your breath. And I'd like you to have your breath be slow and deep. Don't worry about how slow it is. Keep your focus on your breath. As your mind wanders off, gently bring it back to your breath. Follow it as it goes down, pushes your tummy out, and then notice how it turns around, comes back out, and your tummy moves back down. So there's no effort with your chest, your upper torso, with the breathing. Just focus on your stomach moving up and down as you breathe. Don't worry about how fast or slow you're breathing, just how deeply. And as you exhale, just let the exhale be as soft as you can make it. As soft and effortless as you can make it. Okay, now I'd like you to just open your eyes, and then when you feel comfortable, go ahead and sit up. Just bring yourself up to a sitting position.